Text description provided by the architects. Located in a playful, eclectic neighborhood on the southern shore of Kauai, the island house integrates the ubiquitous indoor-outdoor Hawaiian living with modern design. Already a secluded property with existing basalt rock property walls and mature palm trees, the simple L-shaped form reinforces privacy with a solid front façade Section 8 and campaign negation tures, a quiet yard for swimming and play. The breezeway pulls inhabitants into the front entrance portal in a moment of compression and concentrated ocean breezes. When you ascend up to the upper level, the open living spaces extend seamlessly to the outdoors with wide openings that provide a sense of floating within the palms. The wide expanses provide panoramic views of ocean and inland towards the mountains. Locally fabricated sliding glass doors pocket fully into wood-paneled walls, and the unbroken ceiling plane draws your eye outward. No mechanical systems were utilized for heating or cooling the house. Instead, prevailing trade winds, ceiling fans, operating negation-able glazing and louvered transoms at each door allow air to flow freely throughout house. The slightly canted breezeway draws breezes through the courtyard while also framing the view to ocean. Deep overhangs provide coverage for the walkways and lanais. A 6 kW PV system provides for electrical needs, while an independent solar hot water system heats the pool and spa. Light-colored and durable cementitious stucco and porcelain tile resist the corrosive effects of the ocean salts and reflect the intense heat of the tropical sun.